Hi, my name is Warner Lewis of the Harkovlewis team. I'm excited to take you on a tour of this architect-inspired and owned apartment that is a combination of 2 units, mint renovated in the heart of the West Village. This stunning loft offers an ideal balance of style, convenience, and comfort, with an endless list of meticulously detailed upgrades. Natural light pours in through the large windows, while on the opposite side of the space, additional windows and French doors open to a private terrace. Here you will find your personal oasis, a perfect spot for morning coffee or an evening wind down. The modern kitchen is a culinary enthusiast's dream. Equipped with top-of-the-line appliances from Sub-Zero, Viking, GE Monogram, and Miele, an abundance of storage has been added, including double freezer drawers, a large Corian countertop, which provides seating and additional prep space. The guest bedroom boasts a built-in desk and a full corner of windows, providing the perfect window seat. An additional office space overlooks Jane and Greenwich Streets, providing an inspiring view and abundant storage. The built-in desks and combo washer-dryer bring practicality to your daily routine. A full guest bathroom in the hallway adds convenience for your visitors. A private wing features the luxurious primary suite, which accommodates an enormous custom walk-through closet, ensuring ample room for your belongings. The ensuite bathroom is a true sanctuary, featuring a glass-enclosed walk-in rain shower and a separate spa-like soaking tub. High-end fixtures, including a bidet, complete this elevated space, promising relaxation after a long day. Throughout the home, you'll find Lutron dimmable lighting and wood-paneled walls with frosted glass accents. Located in the vibrant West Village, this loft is just steps away from a plethora of cafes, boutiques, and nightlife. Residents enjoy easy access to a number of the West Village's iconic parks and squares. Thank you again for taking this tour with me. If you would like to see this apartment, do not hesitate to reach out to me or any other member of the Harkovlewis team.